Welcome to Joy Property Guide. Today we are taking you through Godrej Prakriti situated in BT Road in Sodhpur. This is the actual clubhouse spreading across 50,000 square feet. Here is your indoor games room, table tennis, snookers, and there you can see the swimming pool. Though I will not brief everything because it is self-explanatory. You can have a look, you can enjoy the tour. In this video you will get to know each and every single details. I have gone through this project properly. This is your sitting arrangement. You can have a good time with your friends here in afternoon time or probably in weekend on Saturday, Sunday. It's a very prominent residential project situated in Sodhpur. In generally, community hall and clubhouse is clubbed together in most of the project, but here it is completely different. So if you club two things, almost 30,000 square feet of community hall and 50,000 square feet of clubhouse, so it comes around to be 80,000 square feet, which is maybe Kolkata's largest clubhouse. You can say this is your gymnasium. Now we are taking you through 1200 square feet 3 BHK sample flat. Though the whole project is ready, they came up with two new towers where you can get an opportunity to book 2 and 3 BHK. This is your kids room. Except movable item, most of the things will be here. This is your washroom. All fittings and fixtures that you see would be given. Now we are entering into kitchen. Amazing layout in 1200 square feet. They have really taken out good layout. They kept the privacy part also, so that whenever someone enters into this property, they won't be able to see any bedroom from the drawing room. This is the view from one tower. It's almost 22.9 acre of integrated development, where 17.45 acres are kept for open spaces and greens. Almost 4.68 acre is a virgin greens, landscape gardens and courtyard lawns. Almost 2.75 acre of beautiful natural water bodies. Almost 1400 plus old trees spread over the development. And it's a resort style, almost 20,000 clubhouse with expansive lounge, swimming pool and state-of-the-art gymnasium. These are all ready to move in towers where people are already residing. The temple that you see is a Kali temple. Inside that premises, the temple is here. Almost 871 meter of walking trails, 11,000 square feet of community hall with 8 guest rooms, and 50,000 square feet of retail plaza within the development. See the natural beauty of this project. You will not find this kind of natural beauty in any project, because this kind of land bank is not available in Kolkata as of now. And second, if it is available, to plant such kind of natural bodies is not possible. So everything that you see in another project, that looks like a artificial thing. The calmness, the good gentry, or the soothing feel that you get in natural beauty, you will not get it in artificial maintained gardens. see the temple. I hope you are enjoying this video. Uh, all things are self-explanatory. Please go through it. If you need any details of this residential complex, and if you have any query regarding the existing towers and as well as the new towers is really good because they will be using new construction technology. All the towers that you see is of almost 7 to 8 years of old, so new thing is always charming to everyone. Enjoy the journey.